What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hang any picture, plaque, framed anything on the wall and get it perfectly leveled, perfectly centered like that guy up here. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get two different measurements. The first one being how wide is the wall that you're hanging the picture, frame, whatever it is on. That's going to be the first measurement you need. The second measurement that you're going to need is going to be the width of how wide the thing is that you're actually hanging onto the wall. I'm going to show you guys a super simple equation to take those two measurements to make sure that what you're hanging is going to be perfectly centered on the wall. Okay, so as we can see right here, the width of the wall is going to be 7 feet long or 84 inches. So that's going to be the first number that we're going to use in our equation. The next measurement we're going to grab is going to be the width of the item that you're actually hanging, which is exactly 2 feet long or 24 inches long. So those are going to be the two numbers that I'm going to show you how to plug into your equation to make sure that what you're hanging perfectly centered. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. So since I'm a visual learner, I'm going to draw a little example. So just imagine that this is 84 inches or the width of the wall that we just measured out, right? So since we know that the thing we're hanging is going to be 24 inches, what we're going to do is subtract 24, giving us a total of 60 inches to work with. So imagine you're taking the width of what you're hanging out of the equation. Now all you have to do once you come up with this number is just simply divide it by 2, 30 inches, and that is the distance you need to measure from the left side of the wall heading into the middle, 30, or from the right side of the wall heading into the middle, 30. And as long as you line up the outside of your picture or frame or whatever it is you're hanging, it will be perfectly centered on whatever wall you're hanging it on. So now that we know what our numbers need to be, all we need to do is measure in from 30 inches coming in here, put nail number 1, and then from the edge of this wall right here, measure 30 inches in, put in nail number 2. Now you can use either like a fancy laser level that has a horizontal and a vertical axis to make sure that the corners are like just perfectly right. What I opted to do, if I can just climb down the ladder while filming myself with the camera, all I did was use a simple air bubble level to sit on top of the thing just so to make sure that the picture frame that I'm hanging levels just right. But the most important part is obviously going to be the numbers that you came up with from the width of the wall in comparison to the width of the thing that you're actually hanging. Once you get those numbers down, the leveling part is super easy and you are good to hang whatever it is you're hanging. And there you have it, guys. Perfectly centered, perfectly leveled, looks very, very aesthetically pleasing. Once you know the numbers that you're looking for, it should take you no more than 5 to 10 minutes to complete whatever project it is that you're trying to accomplish. It looks super good, and like I already said, very simple, very easy. If you guys like videos like this, leave it down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. I'm going to start sprinkling in videos like this, like around the house DIY projects, in addition to the normal truck content that I normally post. So let me know what you guys think about this kind of video, this type of content down in the comments below. And yeah, appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. I will always try and get back to every single one of my comments. As always, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.